Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. You must have already read the title. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you some foundations which are really good for everyday use. You can use this foundation for everyday makeup. These foundations are my top 5 favorite foundations under affordable category. These are affordable but the quality and the performance is really good. Easily किसी भी expensive foundation को ये foundation टक्कर दे सकते हैं, and the finish is really beautiful, coverage is good, and you can easily use this for your everyday use. Generally it is difficult to find a good affordable foundation, but all of these foundation which I am going to talk about in today's video are really good and you should totally check them out. If you are interested to know my top 5 favorite affordable foundation, please keep on watching this video. But before that, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I create a lot of beauty related content on my channel. I share a lot of makeup videos, lot of makeup tutorials, reviews on different products, both affordable and high-end products. And I'm sure you'll find the content on my channel really helpful. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Now without any further ado, let's start rolling. So the first foundation is this Miss Clear Everyday Foundation. This foundation retails for 325 rupees and you get 30 ml of product. This is little more than 300 rupees, but you can easily find discount on Miss Clear on the websites. Like it is available on Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon, and everywhere you can find good discounts on this foundation. So you can easily get it under 300 rupees. The name of the foundation is itself is Everyday Foundation, and they also say that it's a natural weightless foundation, which is totally true. It's actually a weightless formula. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin at all. The finish what you get with this foundation is natural. It's not too matte. It's actually a little bit on dewy side. So dry skin people will totally love this foundation, and it also doesn't cling to your dry patches. And even if you have oily skin, you can totally use this. You just need to use a mattifying primer, or you can just powder down your face after wearing this foundation. So any kind of skin type can use this foundation. The coverage what you get with this foundation is medium to buildable coverage. It's not a full coverage foundation, but the coverage what you get is still good. And anyway, it's a everyday foundation, so you don't need full coverage for your everyday use, right? Now this foundation is very easy to blend. You can use your fingers, a brush or beauty sponge to blend this foundation. बहुत ही easily blend हो जाता है. There is one more really good thing about this foundation is the shade range. This one is available in 16 shades. Yes, you heard me right. It's a affordable foundation and it comes in 16 different shades. और जितनी भी shades है ना, वो shade range काफ़ी अच्छी है. Like mostly Indian skin को सूट करने वाली शेड रेंज है, तो काफ़ी अच्छी शेड रेंज है इसकी. बाय द वे द शेड विच आई हैव इज नेचुरल बफ. ये जो शेड है वो मुझे परफेक्टली मैच नहीं करता है. इट्स लिटिल बिट ऑरेंज फॉर मी, तो आई हैव टू बाय माई परफेक्ट शेड. बट the shade range is really good and I was very impressed with the shade range because affordable foundation में आपको generally ज़्यादा shades नहीं मिलते हैं. That is the basic problem with affordable foundation because ज़्यादा shade range आपको नहीं मिलती है. But in this one you get 16 shade, which is really good. The next foundation is this Insight Cosmetics HD foundation. This foundation retails for 200 rupees for 20 ml of product. This one again is a really beautiful foundation. The consistency of this foundation is very creamy. It's like a thick consistency, a very creamy consistency. So the coverage what you get with this foundation is medium to buildable high coverage. You can easily build up this foundation for high coverage, but you can use this for everyday makeup as well. It's very easy to blend. बहुत ही seamlessly, बहुत ही beautifully blend हो जाता है. And brush के साथ I think this foundation blends even better. Brush के साथ जो आपको finish मिलती है ना, वो ज़्यादा अच्छी मिलती है. इन माई ओपिनियन जनरली मुझे स्पॉन्ज के साथ फिनिश अच्छी लगती है किसी भी फाउंडेशन की, बट इसके साथ मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि वेन एवर आई यूज़ अ ब्रश टू ब्लेंड दिस फाउंडेशन, मुझे फिनिश थोड़ी ज़्यादा बेटर लगती है विद अ ब्रश. बट यू कैन यूज़ एनीथिंग टू ब्लेंड दिस फाउंडेशन. बहुत ही ईजीली ब्लेंड हो जाएगा. The finish of this foundation is again on natural dewy side. It's not a matte foundation, which is I think a very good thing if you want to use a foundation for everyday makeup. The only problem with this foundation is a shade range. You have only 6 shades in this foundation, और जो shade range है ना, वो उतनी अच्छी है नहीं. मुझे भी इस foundation में ये 2 shade mix करके use करना पड़ता है. So I use the shade ओके हाँ, एक और प्रॉब्लम है कि शेड जो है वो इन पैकेजिंग में मेंशन नहीं है, बट आई मेंशन द शेड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिकॉज आई डोंट रिमेंबर कि कौन से शेड है, बट आई हैव टू यूज दीज मिक्स दीज टू शेड्स टू गेट माई परफेक्ट शेड, सो दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम विद इट. जो शेड नेम्स है वो भी जस्टिफाई नहीं करते हैं एक्चुअल शेड को, सो दैट इज अ लिटिल प्रॉब्लम विद दिस फाउंडेशन. बट जो फाउंडेशन है वो बहुत ही अच्छा फाउंडेशन है, एंड आई होप कि इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स इसके अंदर और भी शेड लॉन्च करे बिकॉज इट्स अ रियली गुड फाउंडेशन, एंड आई वुड रियली लाइक पीपल टू यूज दिस फाउंडेशन. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल फॉर्मूला है इस फाउंडेशन का. नाउ द नेक्स्ट फाउंडेशन इज नन अदर देन आर Maybelline Fit Me फाउंडेशन. दिस वन retails for 299 rupees for 18 ml of product. This one is the tube packaging, but इसकी ग्लास पैकेजिंग भी आती है. दैट वन retails for 500 प्लस और समथिंग, बट उसके ऊपर भी आपको इजीली डिस्काउंट्स मिल जाएंगे, तो काफी कम प्राइस में आपको वो फाउंडेशन ग्लास पैकेजिंग वाला भी मिल सकता है. इन दैट वन you get 30 ml of product, but in this one you get 18 ml of product for 299 rupees. This is clearly a very good foundation because everyone love this foundation. I haven't come across anyone who doesn't love this foundation. This one was my first foundation actually. मतलब proper foundation जब मैंने purchase किया with a proper shade and all, this was my first foundation. So on the packaging it says that it's a matte foundation and it is supposed to be used by normal to oily skin people, but I think all skin type can use this foundation because the finish what you get is not too matte again. It's little bit on a dewy side only, so even if you have dry skin you can totally use this foundation. But there's a problem with this foundation that it does cling to your dry patches, so just moisturize your skin really well if you have dry skin, and you can totally use this foundation. The coverage what you get with this foundation is medium to high coverage. You can easily build up the coverage with this foundation, and if you are using it for your everyday makeup you can just apply a single layer of this foundation और ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लगेगा. और जो लास्टिंग पावर है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. इट विल लास्ट इजीली फॉर 6+ आवर्स. हाँ, ये जो फाउंडेशन है वो मेरी स्किन पे तो ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं होता है, बट आई हैव हर्ड दैट it does oxidize on few people, so whenever you are picking a shade just test the shade properly before buying this foundation. So this particular variant, the small variant which retails for 299 rupees, this tube variant, there are six shades available in this particular variant. I know shade range अच्छी नहीं है, but जो glass packaging आती है इस foundation में उसके अंदर 21 shades available है. And as I already mentioned, you can easily find Fit Me foundation on great discounts. नाइका पे तो 30% तक डिस्काउंट इजीली आ ही जाता है Maybelline के ऊपर, सो वो वाला ग्लास पैकेजिंग भी आप इजीली परचेज कर सकते हैं एट लोअर प्राइस. सो I think overall it's a very good foundation, and again a very good foundation for everyday use. The next one is actually not a foundation, it's a skin tint. So I'm talking about the Blue Heaven Hydrating Skin Tint. This one retails for 350 rupees for 28 ml of product. इसका भी प्राइस थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है 300 रुपीज़ से, बट यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड डिस्काउंट ऑन ब्लू हेवन. जब मैंने परचेज किया था इसको इट वॉज ऑन 30% ऑफ, सो ईजिली आपको कम प्राइस में अंडर 300 रुपीज़ ये मिल जाएगा. इसकी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी है बिकॉज यू गेट अ पंप, इतना अफोर्डेबल है एंड इट कम्स विद अ पंप विच इज़ रियली गुड. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम द पैकेजिंग the product itself is really good. It's a skin tint, so obviously it is not supposed to provide you high coverage or full coverage. It provides light to medium coverage and you can't build it up much. It won't cover everything on your face because it is not supposed to do that. It's a skin tint, it's something for your everyday use, for your everyday makeup, so that's why it doesn't give you full coverage. But the finish what you get with this skin tint is really beautiful. मतलब जब मैंने इसको पहली बार यूज़ किया था मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि ये इतने अच्छे से वर्क करेगा. इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है ना वो काफ़ी थिकर साइड पे है, तो आप इसको टच करोगे ना तो लगेगा ही नहीं कि आप एक स्किन टिंट यूज़ कर रहे हो बिकॉज काफ़ी अच्छी सी क्रीमी कंसिस्टेंसी है. बहुत ईजीली ब्लेंड हो जाता है, आप अपनी फिंगर से ब्लेंड कर सकते हो और यू कैन यूज़ अ ब्रश एज वेल. ब्यूटी स्पॉन्ज के साथ ब्लेंड करोगे तो थोड़ी कवरेज और कम हो जाएगी, बट ईजिली आप किसी भी टूल के साथ इसको ब्लेंड कर सकते हो एंड प्रोवाइड्स अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल नेचुरल फिनिश ऑन द फेस. इट्स अ वेरी लाइट वेट प्रोडक्ट एंड इट लुक्स सुपर फ्रेश ऑन द स्किन. दैट्स व्हाई आई लव इट. इट कम्स इन 7 डिफरेंट शेड्स. आई नो अगेन शेड रेंज इज नॉट वेरी गुड, बट स्किन टेंट है तो उसके हिसाब से आई थिंक शेड रेंज इज स्टिल फाइन बिकॉज आपको ज़्यादा कवरेज नहीं मिलती है तो शेड थोड़ा सा इधर उधर होगा भी तो भी you can work with it. By the way, the shade which I have is natural in this one, and yeah, overall it's a really beautiful skin tint. Now we are down to the last foundation, which is this Lakme 925 Perfect Cover Foundation. This one retails for 475 rupees for 25 ml of product. I know this is not under 300 rupees, थोड़ा सा expensive है ये, but again Lakme पे भी आपको easily discount मिल जाएंगे. Easily इस पे भी 25% 30% डिस्काउंट आ ही जाता है. This foundation is again very good. It provides a very beautiful satin finish on the face, so it's not too matte or too dewy. It provides a very beautiful satin finish on the face. The coverage what you get with this is again medium to buildable coverage, buildable high coverage. The consistency of this foundation is little bit on the thinner side, but it's very easy to apply this foundation. It's very easy to blend. You won't find any difficulty working with this foundation. This one also can cling to your dry patches, so just moisturize your skin really well before using this foundation. But otherwise it's a really beautiful foundation. It doesn't oxidize, and इसके अंदर काफी सारे shades आपको मिल जाएंगे. And the shade which I use in this one is Natural Nude N200. So yeah guys, those were my top 5 favorite affordable foundation. ये सारे ही foundations जो मैंने आपके साथ share करे वो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी अच्छे से perform करते हैं, and they are affordable but you are not compromising on quality at all. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. Please let me know if you would like to watch such kind of videos where I share with you my top favorites in different category. Please let me know in the comment box. So if you like this video, please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.